Hi everyone, today we're going to do an unboxing of this Bauer 3/8 compact impact wrench. It's just a tool for now, and it has a heavy duty guarantee. You get this for $100 if the deal is still going on at Harbor Freight, but you have to buy a 5 amp hour battery and the rapid charger included for $100. So $100 can get you this. Plus, still, they also include like warranties and stuff, so that can go up higher than 100 in taxes. So you can maybe pay, if you just want to buy the tool and the warranty, maybe $120 with taxes and everything. But if you're gonna have warranties out, that's a different story. I think they only give you warranty for the impact wrench and the rapid charger. The battery they don't give you a warranty, but unless I'm wrong, they do. But they didn't give it for this. But I got some warranty for this. But yeah, let's start unboxing it. Oh yeah, and also let me show you the box. So it does 325 foot-pounds, bull breakaway torque. That's good. And you do need to buy a battery just in case. But if you want to buy one, rather just wait and see if there's a deal going on, like what I did. It tells you all the other tools you can get and all the information. Oh, and this is the brush version, not the brushless, by the way. Yeah, so they got a lot of things here. Let's see, let's start. Okay, so right off the bat, we see the owner's manual. And it tells you everything. Oh, it shows you when it's, parts and stuff. Ooh, so let's see. Let's see. So here we got the impact wrench. Here we go. And it also gives you a little butt clip. That is a nice one. Usually, it's kind of really nice to give you that. Just put it up there. Alright, so we start unboxing the battery and everything. So yeah, so this is a 5 amp hour. Let's see, it runs 3 times more faster, it says. Yeah. Oh, it also comes with a field gauge. We'll see that here in a minute. And also we got the rapid charger right here. Alright, let's start with this guy. To make this there we go, we got the charger, and we got the manual of it. It's nice. It's bad to have manuals. So there we go. The good thing is that you can mount it. Oh, and it shows you indicators and stuff, tells you all the information. When it's blinking. Let's see, let's get the battery unboxed. It really puts this package really tough. It's a good thing. It really puts this packaging real tough. Well, that was not good. There we go. Oh, it has an anti-dust device stuck on there. There we go. We got the 5 amp hour battery from Bauer. And it has 2 points, but still we're gonna give it a charge. But let me check if it works just to make sure. Yes, it does. That's a win. That's good. I know it works. Also, when you buy this impact wrench, you need to buy some sockets. You know, you can use it to pop off tires and stuff. But I usually want to use it for like mechanical stuff. It'll be good to have, like, if you have a small car, to pop tires off, and I'll show you here in a bit. If you have a tiny car, as long as you get the socket for it and this, but you get a 1/2 inch, you know, and it'll do the job. It'll be good for the summer. Like here in Texas, you got some tires in your car, your tires could pop, and you're stranded there, and you gotta change in the middle of the heat. With this guy, a little more faster than just, you know, just use the jack of the car and stuff. But I'll show you here in a bit, you know. But the good thing, it comes with a little belt. But here's a little belt, you know, belt clip. Just put it there and screw it. That's kind of good in case, you know, you want to carry that around. I don't know, if you want to do something. Or you can use it also if, you know, you want to put some screws into like some wood, like those big ass bolt ones with screws. This guy will help you do it, but much better than the impact. The impact, it will do it, but it'll struggle more. This guy at least is more especially made for that. Yeah, so we'll do the review here in a bit. Now I want to show you how to install this belt clip on a 3/8 impact wrench. So first you put this in right here, into this little plastic right here. You can choose the left or the right, whichever side you want to choose. And you can put that there, and then grab your screw that they're provided with a Phillips head screwdriver, and you insert it to the hole. Looks like the guy wants to fall off. Hold on, give me a sec. And there we go. So now we got that. You start inserting it, you start tying it up, and there you go. You know, it's no way it's gonna fall off. It could be hanging. It could be hanging, which is nice. I mean, it'll be odd to put it on your belt for this, but you never know. Somebody could probably need it for something. They could be doing something. Who knows? You know. But yeah. Put it on whichever side. So now we're gonna take these lug nuts off of this car real quick with the 3/8 impact wrench, fully charged. Let's see, just to make sure. Sorry, my fingers in the way. All right, let's get these. Let's take 3 off and see what it does. There you go. There we go. There's one. There's 2. Man, those guys are on there tight too on the. No, there we go. And one more. It does struggle a little bit, does the job. Alright, let's see how it actually insert them back again. There we go. And it does not stay on there well, but it does stay in there a little snug. It does struggle to. There we go. It does the job. If you're in an emergency kind of way, it pops on you, like how this one is. You can swap it out easily. So overall, I would recommend it. If you just have tiny cars or doing things like in a garage, you want to loosen bolts real quick, you know, say like you want to take off, I don't know, an alternator or a water pump, something like that, if it can fit in there, you know. It does pretty good for a car, you know. Just tiny cars, like that was a Dodge Neon, which, you know, that's a tiny car, you know, it ain't too much, you know. Or if you want to fast loosen nuts like quickly, it does struggle a little, but you know, if you want to buy it and just have it there, it's like an emergency guy. But it's better to get like a 1/2 inch like this guy, or you know, another brand. But the only thing I do want to talk about is like if you do buy this bike, since it was $100, the battery. I did notice the battery down here. It's all kind of like silicone. I don't know how to say it. But it's like rubber. Compared to like over here, I got a heart. The heart one is all plasticky, all plastic. This one's like all plastic on top, and then the bottom has like some rubber, which is pretty good if you wanna, like, you wanna put it on top of your toolbox and don't want to scratch it up. This guy won't easily scratch it up, but you know how plastic, they get a little, you scrape stuff, you know. That's a good thing, but. Oh yeah, and if you do buy this, at least buy at least a socket set, you know, like an impact socket set. But yeah, this guy will do it for, you want to do a little mechanic or want to pop a tire. I wouldn't recommend using like a big SUV or a truck. A trailer, I think I wouldn't, unless you got like a tiny trailer, okay. But if you got like a bigger one, like more than like maybe 8 feet, 10 feet and higher, I would recommend like half. You won't struggle much. But if you just want to use it just for like you own a little car, I would recommend this guy. It'll kind of help you pop those lug nuts off and then put them back on, you know. I did also notice this one has like 3 LED lights here in like the Delwa, I'm pretty sure they have, and they don't last long, honestly. They don't last that long turning on, they fade away. I'm gonna stay on like, looks like maybe 10 seconds, maybe 20, but yeah. But buying, you know, this with the charger, and the charger took like almost 2 hours to charge this guy, even a little more, to just charge this battery. So yeah, ain't much of a rapid charger. I think they do sell a bigger one, a better charger. But yeah, this all cost me like 100, almost 120. I think only got a warranty on this guy. This guy not gonna use it much. But like later, if you have Bauer stuff, you know, at least, you know, you need the charger and the battery they don't give you, you know. But yeah, just don't forget your sockets, you know. If you buy from Harbor Freight, why don't you look at the sockets and get them, you know, just to pop the tires off. All right, well, thanks.